What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Today I'm going to be going over ticker symbol AMC on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation for tomorrow's trading day, April the 6th. I'll be covering the two news catalysts today that actually really helped propel us upwards and really supported the movement of AMC. I will also be giving my price prediction for tomorrow and the support levels and all that kind of stuff that we should be looking at towards the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that and stay for the whole entire video. But let's go ahead and actually hop over here into my internet browser. Really, one of the huge articles that propelled AMC upwards today was the fact that Godzilla vs. Kong actually outperformed its 2019 predecessor. Yes, I said that correctly. Godzilla vs. Kong outperformed a movie in 2019. We are coming out of a pandemic, and a movie in 2021 outperformed 2019. Just let that settle in for a second. Okay, now that it's settled in, can you do me a favor and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm? Hit that subscribe button and then ring that bell as well for me. It greatly helps out the channel and helps get this video out to more people so they can see it. But now that you had a second and you hit the like button, you did all those kinds of things. Really, the huge thing is people were scared that no one's going to go back to the movie theaters coming out of a pandemic because we're all going to be shy and we're not going to want to do this. And the fact that we outperformed a movie in 2019 is phenomenal. Like, I don't know how many times I can say it. I don't know how many times I have to say it. The fact that we did this and everyone is worried that Disney Plus is becoming a thing. Paramount Plus, what is it? Discovery Plus. You got Amazon, you got all these different things, and everyone's worried about these streaming services competing with movie theaters. And literally, you can't compete with a movie theater. I mean, where else are you going to go to buy an overpriced popcorn, an overpriced drink, watch a really good movie, and then go home? You can't make your overpriced popcorn at home. You can't make your oversized drink and everything and have the same exact movie experience. I mean, it's just not going to be there. I mean, sure, if you want to be lazy, you can watch it, but personally, I'm going to go watch a movie at the movie theater if I really want to have the experience, because it's not the same at home. Let me tell you that. So the second great thing that was really published was the fact that an analyst named Eric Wold from B. Riley Securities upgraded AMC shares from neutral to buy, and then also put a price target from $7 to $13. Folks, we hop over here to Webull. What are we trading at? We're trading at $10. So we got another $3 to go. So let's keep it going. Keep it going. But anyways, those are really the two news articles that really helped propel the stock today. And I really think it's going to help us propel us up even more. So from a technical perspective, I have the 1 day, 1 minute chart up here. But before we dive into the patterns and all that kind of stuff, really, the volume was really great today. We had 95 million in volume on Thursday. We had, I think it was close to like 76. So we're seeing more volume within the stock, which is really great, because I think what happened was a lot of people saw these articles and they were like, oh crap, I was wrong about AMC. AMC is a buy and I need to go out and buy it so I can hold it, because they're going to look at the chart from 2019 and they're going to realize, wait, this stock was worth $20. It was worth $16. It was worth a lot more than what it currently is. I need to hold my position. And that's what people are going to be doing, is they're going to buy the stock and they're going to hold it until it gets to their price point kind of thing. So this is really great news for us. But overall for the day, we finished up about 13.35%, which is phenomenal. And I'm personally going to say that AMC is the number one stock right now, because it was on the front page of CNBC. I think it was also on CNN. It was on MarketWatch. Like, it was everywhere today. The fact that we got this positive news and then we got the upgrade and price target and all that kind of stuff, like, just awesome day. Like, I hope you guys are smiling, because I'm smiling here, and I'm trying not to smile too much because I don't got a best smile, but aside from that. So really, when we opened up the day this morning, we did have a low of $9, but we can just quickly see like how uncomfortable from the MACD perspective really that we are. And what really shows is that we're uncomfortable underneath $10. And like once we got back above $10, everything just started calming out. The MACD was closer with the signal. Our RSI was calmed down. We weren't like, everything was calmer, and like the stock, the implied volatility is at an all-time low. Like is at an, sorry, clarify myself. Not at an all-time low, but it's at the lowest that it's been this whole entire year, which is amazing. So let's hop over here to the options chain really quickly. Like the fact that we're looking at 154% in our implied volatility, when we were looking at the squeeze before, it was 500% implied volatility. The fact that we're sitting here around 166, 174, 150, like it's really good for the stock. It's really attractive. Like I even today bought myself a contract for late June. So like I bought myself a contract because I looked at it and I was like, this is the best implied volatility that I've even seen. And I've had several calls before, and I'm going to continue buying calls because it's really attractive, and I'm going to just ride the wave up because the only way that we're going to really go is up now. The stock looks incredibly uncomfortable under $10, and literally I don't want to sit here and count the candles, but we might have been underneath $10 for 15, 20-ish, maybe minutes. And then after that, we never revisited it. And then we also never touched it. Like now it's a psychological support for us. And the greater thing was when we closed here, we closed above 1050. So now 1050 is not a psychological, but is now a support for us. And the two times that we really dipped here, you can see that we went oversold on the RSI. Like that's really good. And then we had a nice pump right back up, had some beautiful consolidation right here during the middle of the day. Like from a 1 day perspective, awesome movement and really strong. Like AMC shows how resilient the stock actually is. And really the one thing I'm going to point out here on the 1 minute is this area of consolidation right here. If we zoom down here to the MACD, look how tight this is. Just look how tight it is. It is beautiful. And what the best part was is we were consolidating before at like between $10 and $10.10, and then it was like $10.30 to like $10.40. This, ladies and gentlemen, consolidation is at like the 1080, the 1070 range. So it's above the 1050 range. So when I'm talking about us making those stair steps, doing these levels of consolidation and keeping implied volatility low is key, because we were at 1010 and then we had 1030 and then we had a day where we plummeted. And now we're back consolidating really nicely at 1070. That's really good because we're moving in an upwards direction. So can't complain about it. So let's hop out here to the 5 day. I'm going to bump out to the 30 minute. So can say goodbye to the $10 resistance, because now it's a psychological support for us. And really, when you look at the 30 minute, you can just see how strong today's movement was. Like all of these were green candles. Like literally, like I would almost, looking at this, I would almost want to say that we're starting to form a bull flag here from the top point here. And if we let's take the bottom point down here. Like, if we're forming a bull flag, ladies and gentlemen, oh, come on, Weeble. Like, I'm no technical expert, but that looks like a bull flag to me. I mean, we can even do it down from here too. But, like, that screams a bull flag. Like, the bulls were with us today from a perspective. And when we take a look at this, we got the MACD at the end of the day going back over these signals. So, I mean, it's okay, but we're sitting pretty tight here. We're sitting at 55 on the RSI. And if we go out to the 1 month, And then let's go to the 1 month and 4 hour, because this is one of my personal favorite charts, because it really shows like how our movements were for the full entire day. But once again, you can see just this. Yeah, that's a, I actually should probably move it down here, actually. Yeah. As far as I'm concerned, that's a bull flag. We should be going up tomorrow, boys and girls. And I don't see why not. I don't see why not. Because we got 1050. Next level that we have to really break through is going to be $11. Then after that, game on. And even here, I'm not making this crap up. I promise you. We have a bullish indicator down here on the 1 month, 4 hour chart. The MACD is crossing over the signal, and then we have the RSI sitting here at 53. We are primed and we are ready for liftoff. Like, I cannot wait for tomorrow, because personally, I think, let's see if we hold 1050. And I mean, even here, we actually closed in the after hours at 1050. So we held 1050 even in the after hours. In the pre-market, let's see if we can hold 1050. And then I think, honestly, we should be looking at retesting $11. And then after that, hopefully 11.25, 11.35, and going up from there, because we definitely have bullish momentum behind us, guys. Like, I can't tell you enough. Like, this is really great for us between the two news articles that we read today about the price, and then AMC Kong versus Godzilla, like, doing better than expected. It's really great. And we're sitting here below the equilibrium, and we got a bullish indicator. So we should be, I think we're primed and ready to rip, honestly. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Also, smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell, do all those kinds of things. The trading platform I'm using actually here is called Webull. I have a referral link down below. I am an affiliate of Webull, so when you use my referral link, you do get 2 free stocks. Anywhere is valued between $10 and $1,600. You get the first stock when your account is approved, and then you also get the second stock when you deposit $100 on the platform. So if you can, support the channel in any way. I greatly appreciate any support. See you guys next one. Peace.